Typically, most of your data about findings will go into issues in Dradis. So once you open your projects, then you'll see the project summary, and you actually see the issues listed here. So if you've selected graphical tags for each of your issues, you'll see them sorted in this table here. And then you have them listed here by tag underneath. You can also see the complete list of issues here under all issues. So here we have each of the issues that have been uploaded into this project. We can click on them and then see what sort of data you have in here. So in any Dradis issue, or other content indeed, you can have any sort of fields that you choose to. Obviously, if you have a title field, then that'll be the title that's used here, but the rest are all up to you. You can see the formatting for each of the headings by clicking Edit. Keep everything between square brackets and hashtags, and then keep the text in here. So typically you might want to have a title, you might want to have some sort of rating system, and then you'll want some sort of description most likely, and fields like solution or references and so on. So when you're creating or editing an issue, then there's several different types of formatting you can use. So if we click on Edit on this sample issue that I've created, you can see that I've given it a title, given it a CVSS score and a CVSS vector. In the case of the template that I'm using for this project, then the type field requires a value of either internal or external. So by creating this issue from the default issue for this template, both of the values are inserted. So let's say this is only an internal issue. Then Dradis also allows you to use various forms of textile formatting to output your text in both your Dradis project and in your exported report. So here's what those different formats look like. If you just type a normal string, that's regular text. And BC full stop, that's a marker for a code block. You can have bold text, italics. You can combine italics and bold. You can have bullet points. You can have numbered bullet points, and you can even have textile tables. So click on Update the issue here. You can see what these things all look like in the Dradis project. And they can also be exported in this format to your report template, to a finished report. Although the actual formatting of the font and the style and so on will depend a bit on how you define the styles in your actual report. Note also that with issues in Dradis, then you can also use either numerical or text fields. So in this case, we've chosen to have a CVSS score field, which is numerical. So by defining this as a number, that means we can have issue sorting inside Dradis itself, which means that when we're setting the value of the CVSS score for this issue, then both inside Dradis and in your exported reports, you'll be able to have all your findings sorted by the severity. However, let's say that you choose to use a system in your template where you're actually using rating fields, which are words like critical, high, medium, or low. So let's call that rating. You can set like this. This is totally up to you. Dradis will let you use whichever format you choose, and your reporting templates can be configured to work with either system. You also have the option of using graphical tags for rating here. They are completely optional. If you want to use them, you can. You can even use the tags to sort your issues in your report template if you choose to. If you choose not to, that's fine as well. Update the issue here. You see now has the graphical tag and the rating shows up here.